What is up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. As y'all can tell by the title, today's video is going to be another hair video, and it's going to be this hair that I'm currently wearing. So the hair that we're going to be working with today is from CURLKALON hair. I have never worked with this hair company before, so I was super excited to try one of their headband wigs. So in this box, it comes with the wig, of course, but y'all, I was too hyped, I was too anxious, y'all. I had to go ahead and just get started on this wig. Like, I had to go ahead and do it. So I couldn't even show y'all like an initial review because I was just too hyped. So, but this is the box that it comes with. It comes with curls with confidence, cause period. And then it comes with this little thank you card and some, what is this? I guess it pretty much just tells about their company. And then that's nothing. But yeah, so this is the box that it comes in. And like I said, the wig comes in a bag. It comes very secure, but your girl is just too anxious to get started. I really don't remember the details to this hair off the top of my head because I'm recording on my phone and the information is on my phone. My camera died, so I'm using my phone. But all of the details to this hair will be down below in the description box. I do believe this is like a 14-inch, I believe. I'm pretty sure this is a 14-inch. And this is one of their newer headband wigs. And y'all, as y'all can tell, I'm gonna get a little bit closer so y'all can see the details of these curls, okay? These curls are popping. If you need realistic hair that really kind of mimics your natural curl pattern, y'all, when I tell y'all this hair is the best hair when it comes to that. Y'all will be able to see that in this video. Y'all will be able to see how I'm able to transform this hair to look like this. Like, y'all, I'm telling y'all, this hair is amazing. And I will be sure to leave my coupon code also in the description box. This is a wig that you need, okay? If you are always on the go like me, a mama, or just always busy, this is the perfect wig for you because it's just, you can just literally throw it on and go. Like, it's just literally just that easy. Another thing that I wanted to mention to you guys is this hair is very convenient if you are trying to take a break from frontals or closures or anything that has to do with glue around your edges. Like for myself, because I've been wearing a lot of closures, frontals lately, and my edges have been thinning out a little bit. So this wig was just perfect because I literally did not have to put anything on my hair at all. Only thing I had to do was fix my little baby hairs and I was good to go. Like, it's literally the best protective style from a protective style. So if you want to see how I got these curls, just make sure that you keep watching. Alright, y'all, so starting out, I already got my stocking cap or my wig cap on, as y'all can tell. So I'm going to go ahead and do my edges, my little baby hairs. As y'all can see, it's looking real crazy right now, but we're going to get it together. I'm going to go ahead and do my edges off camera because it's probably going to take me a little minute, and I'll be back to y'all. Alright, y'all, so do not be alarmed. This is the wig that we're going to be working with. No, it did not come like this when I opened it. I've been wearing this hair for probably like a week or two straight, y'all. Alright, so inside the wig, it comes with 4 clips so that your wig can be super secure. These are the Velcro straps that fasten in the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to my head. So I'm pinning the pin in the back. I don't like to pin the ones in the front because it tends to hurt my head sometimes. So as y'all can tell, it's already looking like super natural. So I'm gonna Velcro this in the back just like so. And this is what we're looking like right now. That's pretty much it for applying the wig. It's literally that easy, y'all. So I'm gonna get a little bit closer so that y'all can see the pattern and what we're working with. As y'all can tell, y'all, this curl pattern is so realistic. So I'm grabbing my towel because I'm about to spray down the hair so that we can get some definition going and get these curls popping. And I'm gonna give y'all the tea on what I use for my curly hair that is amazing. I put a lot of people onto this product because it really is amazing. So I got my towel on, so I'm gonna take my little spray bottle and I'm literally just gonna drench the hair. And I'm making sure to get under the hair as well. And y'all, when I tell y'all this hair gets like super big, y'all, this hair gets big. Y'all, look at these curls. Tell me that this cannot pass for my natural hair, my natural curl pattern. Like, oh my God, like, y'all, And I get so many compliments on this hair because it looks so real. One section at a time. Alright, so pouring this into, y'all, this looks so freaking good. Like, y'all, this is definitely my favorite wig. Like, definitely my favorite wig. Alright, so once this little area is drenched, I'm gonna add a little bit more water here at the top. It's still kind of frizzy. Alright, so once I feel that this section is pretty drenched in water, I'm gonna take a brush and just kind of detangle and brush the hair through so that there are no tangles. And I like to start from the bottom with curly hair because that's what I would do with my natural hair. And y'all, this is with literally no product. Just look at this, y'all. So I feel like I have gotten these curls pretty wet. Yeah, this hair gets super big, so I'm really trying to make sure that I can really get up in there with this water and flatten everything out. Cause I want to go for kind of like a, I guess like a wet look. That's like kind of my favorite. I like doing that with curly hair. All right, so this part is fully drenched. So I'm gonna come a little bit closer again so y'all can see the curls. Y'all, these curls are so pretty. So the key to having the key to stretching your curls out and making sure that they kind of stay at this length, like the wet look, I guess, I like to use Auntie Jackie's Don't Shrink curling gel. Y'all, I use this for all of my curly hair, and when I tell y'all, this stuff is amazing. So I'm just gonna take some in my hand, kind of being very generous, but I don't care. So I'm gonna start at the ends and just kind of work it throughout the hair. Now I'm gonna take my brush again and just spray the product throughout the hair. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, headband wigs are probably the best thing that somebody could have created, because y'all, when I tell y'all this wig has been my lifesaver. I work in the medical field Monday through Friday, and sometimes in the morning I just don't be feeling like, you know, doing the most. So y'all, when I got this wig and I started wearing it, oh my god, y'all, it just saved my whole life, because all I had to do was just wake up and literally throw it on. And y'all, all right, so after the product has been put in the hair, this is what we are working with. And I kind of like my ends to kind of clump at the end, like so. All right, so this is the first section. So as y'all can see, we went from this to this. All right, so I'm going to do the rest of my head. I'm gonna be back with y'all. Yeah, I really love the big look, but y'all, when I tell y'all this hair gets really big, it really gets big. And I have a small head. I'm a small, pretty petite person, so I don't like for it to get too big. So I do have to tame it every few days, just so that it doesn't like just like take over my head. But either way, like, I love the big look. Like I say, it's super natural. But I do have shedding with this hair, but it's nothing like this too crazy. It literally just sheds like your naturally curly hair, y'all. Like, it's literally nothing to even worry about, honestly, because curly hair sheds, natural hair sheds, period, honestly. All right, guys, so I just finished putting the product in this hair. So I'm just gonna do a little spin around for y'all. So this is the back, what it looks like. Again, all the details to this hair will be down below in the description box. I did want to go for like a little wet look. I definitely may have to go back and do my edges over. So this wig did not come with any extra headbands. I know a lot of companies that sell headband wigs offer you a few in the box when you receive it, but I did not get any in my box. But I do have some headbands I'm gonna try on for y'all. So I do have this little, it's just a little headband that I normally wear to work. If you don't want to do just like the plain black headband, you can dress it up. With your own, and this one is kind of dirty, but it's okay. So this is with the first headband. Still super cute, and it still looks super natural. This probably could be a little bit smaller, but yeah. And then you can also do just like a regular headband. I will have to push this. Y'all get the vibes, okay? Y'all get the vibes. So yeah, let me turn y'all so y'all can see. Yeah, so this is with a headband. Still looks super natural, super cute. I know I gotta do my edges over, but it's so cute, y'all. I'm so obsessed. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this super easy, super quick, super convenient hairstyle. If you have not already, make sure that you check my description box for all of the details to this hair. If you need something that's super convenient, y'all, this is the wig. I'm telling y'all, it's super, y'all, just look at the wig. This wig is lit, okay? It's so lit.